Basic Math, Chapter 2, Section 6. Adding with one regrouping. Sometimes when you add the digits in a column, the sum is 10 or greater than 10. You need to rename the number and regroup. For example, add 24 plus 548. Step 1, start in the ones place and add the digits. 4 plus 8 is 12. We have to regroup 12 by writing a 1 over the tens place. We put the 2 in the ones place and regroup the 1 to the tens place. Step 2, add all the digits in the tens place, including the 1 you regrouped. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. That didn't go over 10, so there's no need to regroup again. So we just add 5 to nothing, so it stays at 5. The sum of 24 and 548 is 572. Let's practice. Number 1, 28 plus 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. So the 1 from 11 goes in the ones place, and the extra 10 gets regrouped over the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 for number 2. 5 plus 7 is 12. The 1 from 12 from the tens place gets regrouped to the tens place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Number 3, 67 plus 23. In the ones place is 7 plus 3, which is 10. The 0 in 10 goes in the ones place. The 1 from 10 goes in the tens place. And then 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Number 4, 48 plus 23. 8 plus 3 is 11. And then 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. Let's skip a row and try some of the harder ones. Let's look at number 9. 3,814 plus 251. 4 plus 1 is 5. Nothing to regroup for 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Nothing to regroup there. 8 plus 2 is 10. Oh, I can only put one digit in that column, which is the 0 for 10. So I regroup the 1 to the 3. And the thousands place is 1 plus 3, which makes 4,065. Number 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. Oh, we can only put the 0 in the ones column and regroup the 10 into the tens column. And 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 7 plus nothing is 7. Let's try a couple more. 3,027 plus 3,882. 7 plus 2 is 9, starting with the ones column. Nothing to regroup there. The tens column has 2 plus 8. That's 10. We have to regroup 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Good. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Number 12. 2,318 plus 4,931. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 9 is 12. Oh, here we have to regroup because only the 2 fits in this column. The 1 gets regrouped to the next column to the left. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So that's how we work that. In some problems, you will not need to regroup. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't. Number 17, 48 plus 47. 8 plus 7 is 15. That needs a regroup. 18, 2,617 plus 782. 2 plus 7 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 7 is 13. Oh, there we need to regroup. So that goes there. 1 plus 2 is 3. 19. 302 plus 59. 9 plus 2 is 11. Regroup. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 3. Let's look at 20. 5 plus 8, or 548 plus 245. Starting in the ones column, 8 plus 5 is 13. That has to regroup. And then 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So that's how we do those. Adding. Let's look at practice C. Add. Remember to line up the digits in each number by place value. So here they want us to write them one on top of each other instead of side by side. So for space sake, let's start with 27 on the side here. We can put 75 on top, 182, then 301. Lining them up helps us add more carefully. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 8 is 15, and plus 0 is still 15. That regroups. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So that's how we can line them up. Let's try 31. 86 plus 3,712. 86 plus 3,712. I put the first number on top, then I put the second number underneath, and get 86 plus 3,712. Starting in the ones column, 2 plus 6 is 8, 1 plus 8 is 9, and then 7 and 3. Let's try one more. 33 has 3 digits, or 3 numbers, 2 with 3 digits and 1 with 2. 95, 672, 501. All lined up with their place value digits one on top of another. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry the 1. And then 1 plus 6 is 7. And 7 plus 5 is 12. So the 2 goes there. I would regroup to the next column, but there are no other numbers there, so I can just put it in the answer, because 1 plus nothing else is still going to be 1. That's how we do practice C for adding. What does this look like for an everyday problem? The school held elections for student government. The school newspaper printed the election results in a table. Number 1, how many students altogether voted in the election? Add the number of votes in the table. Tell how many students voted. So we need to find out how many students voted. So here's the number of votes, and there is 252, 324, and 381. So we can add these up. We could rewrite them, but they're already in a nice, neat row. So let's make a line and our add symbol, and let's just add them as they are since they're already lined up. 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 2 plus 8 is 15. That has to have the 1 carried or regrouped. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 957 students voted. Number 2. Suppose Marla had received 56 more votes. Would she win the election instead of Chris? How do we know? So here's Marla. She had 324 votes. I'll write that there and then add the 56. 6 plus 4 is 10. Regroup. And then 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8 and 3. So Marla would have had 380 votes if we added 56 more. Would she win the election? So the person with the most votes generally wins elections, usually. So would 380 be more than 252? Yes. We already added the 56 to that, to Marla's original amount, which is 380. Now here is Chris Yenchek. Chris Yenchek has 381, which is more than Marla's 380 votes. So we can see that she would not win. And we know that because we can compare the numbers to each other with our greater than, less than, or equal to signs. So that's how we can solve everyday problems. Please practice this for Chapter 2, Section 6 in your workbook. Thank you.